Welcome. Today we learn how to write a JavaScript program that joins multiple URL segments into a valid URL and normalizes it to ensure it's clean and functional. Let's dive in. The main goal is to take multiple URL paths and stitch them together into a properly formatted and normalized URL, ensuring it works seamlessly. This function uses join to combine URL paths and several replace calls with regular expressions to handle formatting issues, making it robust for various scenarios. Here's how it works. The function processes the URL in stages. First, we join the paths. Second, remove the duplicates. Third, you handle the protocols. And finally, we normalize the query parameters. Each step ensures the URL is clean and usable. Here's a few examples. Notice how the function ensures no duplicate slashes, fixes protocols, and handles query parameters appropriately. This solution leverages the ES6 features, like the spread operator for flexibility and modern string methods for more efficient URL normalization. This approach is especially useful in web applications, where consistent and clean URL formatting is critical for API calls, routing, and link generation. In conclusion, this program provides an efficient way to handle URL construction and normalization, making it a valuable tool in a modern web development. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.